Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. If you're looking to introduce your baby to the joys of water and create unforgettable memories, this innovative pool accessory is about to become your go-to solution. The Baby Pool Float is here to provide a safe, comfortable, and fun way for your little one to enjoy the water. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of Baby Pool Float on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1. Before they can learn to swim, babies need to first feel comfortable in the water. Baby Swimming Float with Canopy are designed to help babies enjoy the water introduction experience. The baby can enjoy the fun of swimming, even in the hot summer. 10% wider and 10% longer than other baby floats, includes non-inflatable sponge chest support to protect the baby belly. This baby swimming float provide an ideal swimming posture for babies. Let the baby easy to learn kick and swim in a horizontal position, instead of vertical. Raised front and widened sides to prevent flipping, soft bottom support to avoid baby slide out. Newer pool float come with a breathable and removable sun canopy to protect baby's skin away from sun, enjoying summertime anytime, anywhere. Number 2. Number 3. Baby Floats for Pool comes with removable tail to protect from flipping over. Removable UPF 50+ sun canopy, keep baby's skin away from sun. Use both outdoor and indoor. Let our baby enjoy their swimming fun. Floaty for Infant provides 2 kinds of swimming postures, backstroke and breaststroke with different buckle methods. Your toddlers can find the most comfortable swimming ways by this float. Compared with other inflatable float with the risk of leakage, our Baby Water Float for Pool features non-inflatable peel foam inside, which is light and improved buoyancy. Upgraded adjustable safety buckle provides 5 support points for safer and more reliable swimming. High-quality swimwear fabric and TPU film wrap outside of the Baby Pool Float is waterproof, soft and skin-friendly, different from float with normal cloth in the market. The middle membrane is made of waterproof and easy dry material, double protection for the inside pearl foam. Number 4. Mambobaby Self-Inflating Baby Float by Heche, featuring a compressible folding design that easily reduces in size for convenient travel and storage, making it the perfect companion for vacations and outings. Equipped with an enhanced safety buckle system, this Mambobaby Self-Inflating Float offers 5 support points and a 40 degrees angle for optimal balance, preventing your baby from flipping over. Designed for 2 swim styles, backstroke, 3 to 6 months, breaststroke, 3 to 24 months, offering a comfortable and enjoyable water experience. This Mambobaby Self-Inflating Baby Float accommodates children weighing 13 to 40 pounds and aged 3 to 24 months. The adjustable buckle at the back ensures a secure and comfortable fit, allowing your child to move freely and enjoy the water. Boasting delightful colors and images, this Mambobaby Self-Inflating Baby Float by Heche is a hit with kids, encouraging them to wear it and have fun in the water. Ideal for use in swimming pools, large soaker tubs, or at the beach. Number 5. The Baby Float for Pool come with a breathable and removable UPF 50+ sun canopy to protect baby's skin away from sun, enjoying summertime anytime, anywhere. Made of durable leak-proof PVC material, passed the CPC standards, which is the highest and strictest international safety standards of toys, making it 100% safe and non-toxic, friendly to baby's skin. Double-layered air chamber, raised front, widened sides, shoulder strap, abdomen support, bottom cross, keeping infant in place to avoid forward overturning, flip over or sliding out. Safety is always the first. Support breaststroke/backstroke upgraded into 2 SwimWays, which is backstroke and breaststroke with different buckle method. 2 ways are more interesting.